100,000 jobs gone. Entire auto plants silent. Germany's car industry, the pride of Europe, is crashing, and the world watching in shock. Hey everyone, welcome back to Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service near me here. It's a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service who will come or travel to you at any location at your convenience. Today I'm diving into what might be the most devastating economic event to hit Germany in decades, the sudden and severe collapse of its auto sector in 2025. That's right, 100,000 jobs lost. But that's not just a number. That's 100,000 families, entire towns built around factories like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, all frozen in uncertainty. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why auto car repair loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. So how did one of the most powerful automotive nations in the world end up here? First up, electric vehicles, or EVs. Global demand shifted fast. Tesla, BYD, Hyundai. They all saw where the future was heading and sprinted ahead. German car makers? They hesitated. They clung to combustion engines just a little too long. And by the time they tried catching up, the world had already moved on. Then there's the supply chain mess. The post-pandemic world never really got back to normal. Microchip shortages, raw material bottlenecks, and now a lithium price war that Germany just wasn't ready for. Add to that Chinese competition. China's EVs are cheaper, they're more efficient, and honestly, they're everywhere, flooding the European market, undercutting the Germans at every turn. And as if that wasn't enough, U.S. tariffs are back with a vengeance. 100% import tariff from the U.S. is choking off exports that German factories once depended on. But let's zoom in. We always hear about the numbers, the market, the bottom line. But what about the people? Take Klaus. He's 42, worked at an Audi plant for 17 years. Now, he's trying to retrain for a software job juggling 2 kids and a mortgage. This isn't just an economic correction, it's an industrial identity crisis. And that ripple effect? It's global. Used car prices are rising everywhere because Germany just isn't producing like it used to. Suppliers, not just in Germany but all across Europe and even Mexico, are shutting down. Investors are pulling out of German auto stocks and putting their money into EVs in the U.S. and China. VW, BMW, Daimler, their shares are down 30 to 50% this year alone. So can Germany recover? Honestly, yes. But it's going to take radical change. The blueprint? Accelerate EV infrastructure funding. Roll out government-backed reskilling programs for workers like Klaus. Forge new trade alliances. Looking beyond the U.S. And maybe most important, start merging the best of tech with the tradition of German engineering, reinvention, or extinction. That's the choice, plain and simple. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think the German auto industry will bounce back? Or is this the beginning of the end? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit like if you care about the future of auto manufacturing. Subscribe if you want honest, fast, and bold industry breakdowns every week. And share this video because nobody else is talking about this with this kind of urgency. And here's your motivational car quote of the day. When you feel like giving up, remember why you held on so long in the first place. That's true for mechanics and for nations. Thanks for watching. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.